A monitored extension allows users to share their extension with another user to allow collaboration with phone calls. This solution works well for an assistant and their manager. The assistant can view the status of their manager's phone at any time and has the option to assist them with phone calls. Much of the functionality is dependent on programming that is selected by the system administrator, which means that your performance may be different. We will present a common programming choice for this feature. Your phone is set to ring as soon as a call starts ringing on your monitored extension. The ringtone, however, will sound different than on a phone call ringing to your own extension. To answer the call for the other extension, you need to select the corresponding line key. You can see the caller ID of the person calling by pressing the line button once. Press the line button a second time to pick up the call. A call answered on the primary extension can be placed on hold by selecting the line button once. You can remove the call from hold and pick it up by selecting the line button twice. If you answer a call on the monitored extension and then need to deliver it back to the extension, select the line button once. The call can then be retrieved from hold on either phone by selecting the corresponding line button. If the user is active on a call on your monitored extension line, caller ID may be available based on programming and the availability of the caller ID information provided by the caller. When there is no active call on your monitored extension, the line becomes a speed dial to call the user.